Add the first indicator named Trend Magic to the chart in the indicator section. It is not necessary to modify the input section of the indicator, but you can modify the appearance of the indicator as you wish in the style section. To enter a long trade, the Trend Magic indicator would have to switch from red to green. And to enter a short trade, the Magic Trend indicator would need to switch from green to red. Now let's look at a few examples in the gold chart and a 5-minute time frame. But before that, you can use our free trading signals by joining our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel, it is located in the description of this video. But remember that I never recommend using just one indicator in the strategy due to false signals. As a result, for the second indicator, type MACD and add this very famous indicator to your chart. Now in the input section, change the fast length to 18. And then change the slow length to 144. And then make the necessary changes in the style section exactly like this video. Now for a long trade, after issuing a long signal by the Trend Magic indicator, we should check if the MACD histogram is green and above the zero level. Furthermore, for the short signal, after short signal from the Trend Magic indicator, we should check the MACD indicator if the MACD histogram is red and below the zero level. Now we must pay attention to this point that we must always trade in the direction of the main market trend. As you can see, sometimes signals against the trend are issued in the strategy, and these signals must be filtered. For this purpose, we add the third indicator to the chart, which is called HMA. In the settings of this indicator, change the length to 100 and then increase the thickness of the line in the Style tab. Now the trading setup is completed. To have a valid buy signal, the Trend Magic indicator must first switch from red to green. Then a candle should close above the HMA 100. And as the third condition, the Trend Magic line must be above the HMA indicator. And finally, the MACD histogram should be green. Therefore, if all these conditions exist, you can enter into a long trade. Then place the stop loss below the last swing low. And for the target, consider the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And also, in order for a sell signal to be valid, the trend magic indicator must first go from green to red. Then a candle should close below the HMA 100. And as a third requirement, the trend magic must be below the HMA 100. And finally, the MACD histogram should be red. So if all those conditions exist, you can enter the short position. Place the stop loss above the last swing high. And for the target, consider the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. But if you want to increase your profit in the trading several times, be sure to watch this video.